today's Boxycharm Boxyluxe, I paid for her unboxing for September. You guys, I'm so excited about this. You guys know that if you've been here for a bit, you know I sold myself when I was doing sneak peek spoilers. So I ran over, signed up, got on the wait list. Luckily was able to get off the wait list, and boom, here she is. So that's what today's video is all about. If you guys are new here, I will have my shirt and my eye makeup linked in the description boxes down below for you guys. This is another Glitzy Girl Boutique Cutie Patootie top. Cozy, love her. Anyways, guys, if you are new here, like I said, my name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess. I'm gonna forewarn you guys, I am having one heck of a fabulous thyroid day. The energy is through the roof. It's not the caffeine, it's literally just me, and I want to dance about it. Y'all know, if you have thyroid issues, these days are far and few between sometimes. So we are embracing it. We are embracing it. Anywho, I will probably just go ahead and put the Boxyluxe unboxing up first because I was pretty cuckoo crazy for Cocoa Puffs over on my premium unboxing that I paid for. So anyways, guys, as we know, it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, and we talk about makeup. And remember, y'all, it's not that serious. It's just makeup. This channel is just about having fun. If you are not here to have fun, if you are here to complain, you got to go. But hopefully you'll stay. And by the end of today, this video may change your day. I need to stop trying to act like I'm a poet. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, guys, so like I said, this is my Boxyluxe box for September. This is the one that I did purchase. I do have my daughter's names on here, so no, Boxycharm does not know this is my box. I do purchase the premium and the base, and I ended up getting paying for the Luxe because there was a specific item in here that your girl really wanted. So real quick, a little information about the Boxyluxe. This is not a monthly subscription. This is quarterly. You'll receive it a few times a year. It is $49.99. And the months that the Boxyluxe does come about, you will not receive a base box unless you set up a separate account. So this month I do not have a base box to unbox for you guys that I purchased. Only the premium and the Luxe, and like I said, the premium unboxing will be coming up next. So let's go ahead and jump on in. Actually, hold on, I don't know the weight. I'm not digging through my email. So I've got my mail scale here once again, and it's heavy, and I'm gonna weigh her. All right, she is coming in at 3 pounds 10.4 ounces. For those of you that like to know the weight of the box. Okie dokie, so we're jumping right in. Now when it comes to the Boxyluxe, you do get to choose 2 of the items in the box. So that, like I said, is why I went ahead and got on the wait list, and fortunately was bumped off the wait list and got the box. So we always have a theme to all of our boxes every single month, same theme, and this month's is Glam Vibes only. On the other side, you do have all the information about everything in the box, as well as down here you're going to see the variation, and I do have variation 75. So here is the first item that was a choice item that you guys know your girl geeked out, freaked out, and had to have in her life because it has a retail value of $150. This is the Biro New York Tomato Serum. Now, like I told you guys in a sneak peek spoiler, we did see Biro Essence Toner in a past box, and I love it. It is amazing. It's $95. And I'm like, no ma'am. $150? No ma'am. $49.99? Yes ma'am. Okay, so a little information about the tomato serum. The tomato serum is a powerful treatment that contains gently exfoliating tomato extract, brightening vitamin C, and collagen boosting peptides. It transforms your skin into a brighter, more youthful version of itself while imparting a healthy, luminous glow. Like I said, retail value $150. Like, I'm not gonna spend that, but I'll spend it for $49.99. So now the second item in here, which again, this is something that I did receive in PR, and this is the Pure Cosmetics Complexion Authority Signature Signature Travel Essentials 12-piece cruelty-free brush set. It does have a retail value of $49. You do get a total of 12 brushes in here. I am going to just go ahead and keep it in here. Now, I personally have not opened the brushes. I was going to give it to my mom, and because she needs more of a collection. Like, why not? You know what I mean? So anyways, this will probably either go to Hailey or be put in a giveaway, which Hailey has as many brushes as I do. So this will probably end up put in a giveaway, or maybe my 14-year-old will want it. I don't know. But some of you guys said that you've tried out the brushes and you weren't a fan of them, which is kind of a bummer. I know they felt super duper soft. I know that much. But I honestly haven't used them. I haven't played with them. But they do have a retail value of $49. Now the next item in here is by Tan Luxe. Now this was one of the choice items. Like I said, you do get to make 2 customized choices for your Luxe box, and this is the Tan Luxe Gradual Illuminating Tanning Lotion. Now I like Tan Luxe a lot. I have their body drops, oil, whatever it's called, for my face and for my body. Really enjoy them, and I loved seeing this in a lotion, because right now the drops that I have, you mix in lotion. I'm like, oh, this is going to be so cool. So I went ahead, I chose this. It does have a retail value of $33. It's a gradual, and the gradual is a lightweight body moisturizer with a gradual glow. This revolutionary oil lotion hybrid has become a cult favorite, melting into the skin upon application and delivering natural buildable color in just an hour. You guys know your girl loves Sunless Tanner. I don't have it on today, but I definitely love it, and I'm hoping I'm gonna go ahead and try it out, and hopefully if I love it, it's going to be something we see in add-ons coming open on September 14th. And if that's the case, I'll be buying extra, because that's the one thing. As much as I love tanning drops or spray, I don't like having to do multiple steps. If I can knock it all out in one step, I'm all about that. I do want to smell this, by the way. Hold on, let me open this up. Oh, okay, so it smells nice. It just has like a lotion scent to it. It's not one of those tanning scents. You guys don't. If you are a sunless tanner, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So I will definitely be using that tonight. Next item, and this I'm not going to open because I have it and I love it. This is by Fenty Beauty. I got the exact same color in Sandcastle and Mint Mojito. The Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Full Highlighter. This is a gorgeous flippin' highlighter, and like I told you guys in my PR unboxing, never in a bajillion years would have seen this at Sephora and had thought I would wear that. I need to add that to my collection. It's $36, right? Yeah, it's a $36 highlighter, and when seeing those shades, I'm like, nah, I'm good. That's a little too outside my comfort zone. Y'all, this is a beautiful highlighter. If you guys saw my PR unboxing, I actually applied it, and it is gorgeous. It is blinding. You can not only use it as like a highlight, but you can use it on your eyes, and I actually mix them together as well and just get this really beautiful cool toned icy type of highlight. It is just so pretty, and I'm really excited about receiving this, but again, this will end up going to one of my girls. So the next item in here, and I'm super excited about this, is by OFRA Cosmetics. This is the Season 1 lip gloss, which you guys know your girl loves her some lip gloss. So this does have a retail value of $16. It says, remember the first time you wore a lip gloss and how it made you feel. Sultry, effortless, and instantly refreshed. We took that magic feeling of a gloss, eliminated the tacky glitter gooiness, and added nourishing oils to create a comfortable high shine formula that you'll actually want to wear. Love that. Ooh. Okay, so this is in the shade Honey. This is definitely a me color for sure, because I feel like with it being a lip gloss, it's going to be more on the sheer side. I think there's a scent there. My sniffer is so busted. Oh yeah, I like this. This is so me. I like it a lot. And it's not tacky. Ooh. I like this a lot. Now, if you guys saw my PR unboxing, I had actually gotten the Persona Cosmetics dual-ended brush, and I really wanted the lip gloss. So I'm super, super excited about this. I love that it is a sheer. It has color, it has pigmentation there, but it's more on the sheer side. I love that. And then the last item, which I'm super excited to show you guys, is boom, the Hip Dot palette, the Hip Dot palette. Yes, that's right, the Hip Dot palette. You guys, well, you guys know the palettes that I was wanting, all three of them. And oh my gosh, if she is not beautiful. Make sure to subscribe, follow me over on Instagram, over here, because you know your girl's coming back with some looks. Oh my gosh. I don't know what it is, but like these pastel-y shades have just got me so interested. Like, I just think they're so pretty. Like, so pretty. And of course here, I go for the shimmer glitter. Ooh, that's so pretty. Oh yeah. So I've never played with Hip Dot's formulas before, but I am definitely excited to create some looks with this palette. I mean, I know swatches don't tell a story by any means, but you know, your girl's gonna be coming back because this is such a me palette. You know, like, yes, you've got some colors in there, but you also could create some really pretty, like, neutral, soft, muted looks as well. Like, I love this. I absolutely love this. So, anyways, let me tell you a little information about this palette. Sorry, guys. A little information is it has a retail value of $30. It is Majestic Beauty of Natural Sweeping Utah Cannons. Take your look to the next level with dramatic reds, deep oranges, and rich purples of Zion, cruelty-free, vegan, talc-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, and mineral oil-free. Wow, that's awesome. I did not know all of that. So definitely make sure to stay tuned. This palette is so beautiful. Like I told you guys in the sneak peek spoilers, it reminded me a lot almost of like the Desert Dust, Huda Beauty Desert Dusk, which is a beautiful palette. So I really like the color story. It is just a gorgeous color story. So anyways, that is everything in my Luxe box for September. Let me tally everything up for you guys and give you guys my final thoughts. I've lost my phone. Here it is. Welcome to my brain. Hold up, guys. There's one more thing in my box. Oh my gosh. I didn't realize that. There are two more things in my box. I had no flippin' idea until I started to tally everything up. Okay, so look at this. I got the 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Masks. I had this from PR. I flippin' love these masks. They have a retail value of $135, y'all. These are the Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. It is a 5-pack. The ultimate pre-event mask, the hydrogel formula infuses the skin with radiant boosting ingredients for a glowing complexion. Retail value $135. I love these. I absolutely love these. I'm so excited. This came in my paid box. And one more item that I obviously didn't see because it was under this, and that's why I was missing it. The Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. I'm so excited to get another bottle of this because this stuff is flippin' amazing, and my skin has been obviously so dry from all the hand washing. This has a retail value of $36. It says treat your hands to a light but luxurious rich hand cream that helps keep skin and cuticles healthy and protected from the elements. The best-selling formula is made with the nutrient-rich Dead Sea water and soothing witch hazel, formulated for daily use to elevate and lock in skin's moisture. You guys, I could not be more excited over this freaking box. Like, honestly, it's darn near everything that I received in PR, minus the Persona Cosmetics dual-ended brush and this, the only two different things. Hold up, where is it? What did I just do with my lipstick? Oh well. Okay, let me total everything up because I'm just rambling at this point. Hold on. Okay guys, so this box cost $49.99. Everything that I received in the box came to a grand total of $485. Now, in all honesty, I was happy prior to even seeing these two items in my box. So that tells you a lot right there. So do I think this box is worth the $49.99? Did I get my money's worth? Absolutely. Like, I obviously still have to try my Bio New York tomato serum that I was super excited about getting, but everything else in this box is wonderful. I was super excited about this. Like I said, some of these items I will be gifting, or you guys will see it in a giveaway as well, but these are still really good products in my opinion. Now, granted, I haven't tried this, but this is freaking amazing and I love it, and hopefully we'll see Fenty Beauty and add-ons as well. When I say add-ons, this is where you can get up to 70% off of a bunch of high-end products and even affordable products. I mean, we've seen everything from Fenty Beauty in there, Becca Cosmetics, oh my gosh, Kate Somerville, which I'm hoping is in there as well. Like, there's so much for what some of the add-ons are going to be. So we're going to see Glam Glow, we're going to see Pharmacy, we're going to see Sunday Riley, Marc Jacob, but I'm sure we'll see Hank and Henry. But anyways, I was sitting there, I was scrolling, and there's going to be some amazing add-ons. September 14th is when it opens up for Premium and Luxe members. September 15th for everybody else. September 14th is also when you're going to make your choices for the base box if you are a Premium and Luxe member, or if you are on the wait list. If you guys are curious about signing up for Boxycharm, you want to sign up because October is going to be awesome. I can tell you guys that already. We know some of the sneak peek spoilers that are already coming out, one of which is the Dose of Colors concealer. I have it on today. It is an amazing concealer, guys. If you get in now, you are going to be able, if you sign up before September 14th and 15th, you will be able to make your choice for October. So just letting you guys know on that. Hopefully I'll get this video edited in time for y'all. Anyways, guys, that is all for today's video. I will have a link to sign up for Boxycharm in my description box, as well as I will pin a comment down below for you guys. Just letting you guys know it is an affiliate link, so if you do sign up, thank you guys in advance. I will also link my cozy shirt down below for you guys. You guys know Glitzy Girl Boutique and I are like this. Actually, my bank account hates me for it, but it's a really cute boutique and they ship really fast, which I love. So, and they also have curvy girl friendly sizes as well. Thank you for that, because quarantine got your girl 10 kinds of messed up. Anyways, guys, everything that I talked about as far as Boxycharm will all be information down below for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video enough to stick around, subscribe, give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. There's still currently a giveaway going on over there. I'm also on TikTok. I'm everywhere, and on days like this, I'm all kinds of crazy on social media. So anyways, guys, I hope you have a fabulous, wonderful day wherever you are, and kisses from Kentucky. Bye, guys.